pan, ni ando peinada.
Almost
10:46.
Come on, put your shit on, go get dressed.
You're gonna have to bleep that part, Morris.
It's been a long time since I've made tortillas without adding the ingredients to it.
It's over.
What is this? What's what?
What's this?
The cook.
Mr. Cook,
Huh?
look.
I can see that light.
Will you take that out of my dirty house?
Paula, he's gonna have to cut that film every time you swear.
Let me leave the pocket.
I ain't gonna waste him. I was starving, I told you I wanted some chorizo. Perdón, tan chocante.
Chocante.
That means pretty in English. Tell some. You want to say something? We'll take this back home, Rick, Louis, or.
Say something. The other thing I want to say is, how come the men always have to cook, and the women sit around and get fat?
We're on vacation.
Vacation?
Yeah. We are on vacation, Rick.
I took the week off too. I'm gonna have to go back to work to get rested up.
Well, anyway, you don't do nothing over there, just sit.
Oh, you sound like Paula now. When it's time to go home, I still can't go home.
Why?
There's always something to do.
Sonny, you want some pancakes?
That's terrible, right?
Yeah.
I get mad when that happens.
Or else,
Me too.
or else somebody will call me in for a meeting at 3:30 and I go home at 3:30.
Are you supervisor or manager or what?
Yeah,
Yeah, what?
supervisor.
Oh, great.
Yeah. I'm gonna make some.
The what?
Toilet.
The carton.
Man, I'm still eating. Shoot.
I'll come and wash dishes.
Yes, ma'am.
Remember, I'm gonna make tortillas.
You better. Good.
Make a lot so you can leave something before you leave.
Yeah, make all making me do all the work.
Oh,
I feel like Cinderella.
you wish you looked like Cinderella.
Yeah, with the cinders all over me. You making me do all the work.
Sonia, come here. You want some?
Sonia already had that tortillas. She called that gringo tortillas. Oh, excuse me. You heard her bird?
Here's a...
Santana. Bless you. Let me see your watch.
Tomorrow.
I want to see what time it is.
Crest, to make you target control Crest.
I gotta see Days of Our Lives.
11:02, New York time. Ohio time. That's not Texas time.
What's the date?
Let me see. Let's see what the date is. Okay, we have to press this button right here to see what the date is. It's 11:25, November 25th. Okay, so tell Daddy, it's November 25th. Quadrupont 25th. First, I'm gonna need a kiss. Down on that sofa. What? What? Oh, I can't hear you. Oh, okay. Over the housework.
Live from
Dayton, Ohio. Huber Heights?
Huber Heights, down near Dayton, Ohio.
Gateway.
Gateway,
The gateway to Mathis.
Skidville.
Mathis, Skidmore. Come and eat, Robbie.
Raindrops are falling on my head, and just like the guy whose feet are too big nothing seems to fit. Those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. So I just did me some talking to the sun, and I said I didn't like the way he got things done, sleeping on the job. Those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. But there's one thing I know, the blues they send to meet me won't defeat me. It won't be long till happiness steps up to greet me. Raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Crying's not for me, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free. Nothing's worrying me. It won't be long till happiness steps up to greet me. Raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. Crying's not for me, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free. Nothing's worrying me.
Just a VCR.
See the light on top of the hospital over there? Wait. See that light turning? That's a helipad. Fire over here. On this side, this is the Montgomery County Fairgrounds. Over here. And they had a fire a couple days ago, burned down a couple buildings. They had some antiques and stuff. This is the fairgrounds. They have racehorses there. They have race.
Look at that.
We're gonna pick some up. I didn't know they had them here.
Not yet. After that.
Bet you they're all dead.
Yeah. You know how many people are dead in there?
All of them?
Yeah.
Everybody's talking at me, can't hear a word they're saying, only the echoes of my mind. People are stopping and staring, I can't see their faces, only the shadows of their eyes. I'm going where the sun keeps shining through the pouring rain, going where the weather suits my clothes, banking over the northeast wind, sailing on a summer breeze, skipping over the ocean line. everybody's talking.